Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5s, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. Just now, by double click here on the right side of our phone to the power key, we can launch our camera application. And just to disable this function, we'll go to the settings, and here just scroll down to the advanced options, and right there we got the gesture sections. And here just to disable this function, tap once on the switcher, and as can you see right now, we just turn off this option. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.